as missing entries. Okay, so here the following page of level book where some readings are missing, fill in the missing readings and calculate the reduced level of all the points. Okay, so here tabular format is given and we have to find out the missing reading. So to do it correctly, you should know how to calculate RLs. Okay, so means before doing missing entries, you must have done the simple calculations of reducing RL by using height of instrument method and rise and fall method. If you know that how to calculate RL based on backside, interval side, force side, and rise and fall, or height of instrument method, how do we have calculate RL of different points? Then you can easily do this, find out these missing entries. Okay, so here what is you can here observe that here certain entries are missing. Okay, so we know that how do we find out the RL of different points? Just RL of the next point we will find by we can add the rise to the previous RL, we can deduct fall from the previous RL to get the RL of new point. Okay, and to get rise or fall, what do? We subtract the forward staff reading from the previous staff reading. Okay, so here we will just see how do can find out the different missing entries. Here you can see here this cross, that is over here there is a cross, there is a missing entry. You first write it down one table, write this table in your notebook. Now we'll calculate the missing entries. Here you can see that first entry, first RL is missing. Okay, and here what RL of next point is given. So how do we find out RL of this point? There is a rise. Okay, if there is a certain value, we can say there is a value y here. Okay, if we add rise to this y, we get value of 125.05. So how do we find out y? Just reverse calculation by subtracting this rise from this value. Means suppose there is a y. Okay, this RL is y. So how do we find out 125.005 RL of next point? By adding this rise to y. So we'll get y plus 1.325. We will get RL of next point, that is 125.005. So to find this, what we do? We will subtract 1.325 from 125.005. That is y is equal to 125.005 minus 1.325. Okay, and thus we are getting value 123.68. Okay, so here we can write it as a 123.68. Got it? How did we find out this? Just by doing reverse calculation. Now you can see by add this value is 123.68 plus 1.325. You should get this value. Means our calculation is right. Okay, so how do we find it out? Just by subtracting this rise from this. Okay, if there would be a fall, what we would have done? If the for fall, we would have add. For rise, we have subtracted to get the previous value. Okay, now the next missing entry is this. Okay, so how do we find out rise? By subtracting this value. Suppose this is some value y here. Okay, again we can say suppose there is a y1. So 3.125 minus y1 we got rise. So how do we find out this value? Just by subtracting this 1.325 from this 3.125, or by if we do calculation, we can write it that 3.125 minus y1 is equal to 1.325. So how to get the value of y1? Y1 is equal to 3.125 minus 1.325. That is not getting where 1.8. So here we can write as a y1 as a 1.800. Okay, you can we can check it if we subtract 3.125 minus 1.8. we are getting 1.32. It means our this value is right. Okay. So next missing entry is this. Okay. So if we subtract this forward entry that is 2.320 from previous entry, we should get fall. Okay. So let us calculate this value. Suppose this is y2. We can say here y2 y2 minus this 2.32 minus 2.32. We should get how much? Fall of 0.055, that is minus 0.055. So how to we can calculate y2, that is y2 is equal to 2.32 minus 0.055, its value as a 2.265, 2.265, that is 2.6. If we'll just check 2.265 minus 2.320, we are getting as a fall of 0.055. Okay. Or in the other way, what we can say, if we subtract 2.320 from this value, we are getting fall of 0.55. So to get this value, we have to subtract 0.055 from this 2.32. Okay. By practice, you can do that easily. Now we have to find out Rn of this point. What we have to do? Just this is as usual. If we do 125.055 minus 0.055, we get the Rn. Okay, that is 125.005 minus 0.055. We get the Rn of next point, that is coming as a 124.95. Okay, now next missing entry is this rise. Okay, how do we get this rise? By subtracting this forward value from previous value, we will get this rise. But here both entries are missing. So let us move to the next point. That we have got the RL, means if there is a rise, if we added this amount of price, to previous RL of the previous point, we should get this value. Okay, means difference of these two value is nothing but the rise. Got it? So rise we can calculate here as a, if we added this value of rise to this previous RL, we will get this value. So to get the rise, we have to subtract, or we have to take the difference of these two RL. So we can find it out the 125.350 minus 124.95. Here I will write here. So this is the first problem. 2.535 minus 124.95, and we are getting it as a 0.4. So here we got a rise 0.400. Okay, now we got the rise 0.400, means this is how do we got it? By subtracting this next start reading from previous reading. To get this value, what we have to do? We have to subtract this 0.4 from this value. Okay, so this reading will get from like 2.32 minus 0.4. So this is 2.32 minus 0.4. It's coming as 1.920. Got it? First we find out the rise. Okay, to get this much rise, that how do we calculate rise? In reverse calculation, by subtracting forward reading from previous reading. Okay, I have done some sample calculation before. You can do like that also, or we can do simply as difference between these 2 point is 0.4. So to get this point, we have to subtract 0.4 from this point, and after calculating, we just check if 1.32 minus 1.92, we are getting 0.4. So our calculation is right. Okay, so Next is we have to calculate this fall. How do we calculate this fall? That previous value minus next value. Okay, this is simple. 1.92 minus what is next value? 2.655. So it is coming as 0.735. Okay, and we can find out RL as usual. 125.350 minus 0.735. It is coming as a 124.615. 124.615. Now, next missing entry is this one. So here it is fall. How do we can calculate this value? Well, how do we get this value? Just by subtracting 3.205 from this backside reading. So to get this value, what we can do? We can just subtract this value from foresight reading. So here what we do? We will do 3.205 minus 3.2 minus this 2.165, 2.165, 3.205 minus 2.165, 1.040. Now we'll find RL of the next point just by simply deducting fall from the RL of the previous point. 124.615 minus 2.165. It is coming as a 122.45. Okay. Again, now here we have to find out the fall here. So how do we determine fall here? Just by if we subtract 1.620, we subtract 3.625 from 1.620, we will get the value of fall. It is 1.620 minus 3.625. We will get the fall here 2.005. Okay, and to just we can find our RL as usual, plus 122.45. We are getting here as a 120.445. Okay, now here both values are missing. So to find out the rise, what we will do? We need this value. Okay, so we will again do back calculation here. Here we got the value last RL 122.59. So how did we got it? If we have added this rise to this value, then we would have got this value. So to get this value, we just have to take the difference of these two values. So we can find it out as a 122.59 minus 120.445, and value we will get 122.59 minus 120.445. Here value we are getting 2.145. 2.145, that is 122.59 minus 120.445, 2.145. Okay, again now if we have to determine this difference, how do we can find it out? Just if we subtract this next value from the previous value, we get this rise. So this we can find out just by taking difference of these two value, that is 3.625 minus 2.145. So we will get 3.625 minus 2.145, 1.48. Okay, so last here we got a 1.48 and here 2.145. Like that we can find out the missing entries. You can do the calculations also if asked, or you can directly write this missing entries. Okay, and at the last we have to do arithmetic check. That is arithmetic check is, what is the arithmetic check here? summation of backside minus summation of foresight should be equal to summation of right minus summation of fall, and that should be equal to last error minus first error. That usually you can give here as a arithmetic check. Okay. And in a similar way, if there is a problem for height of instrument, you have to just calculate the height of instrument if it's missing or if it's given. In the similar way, you can get to the problem of for missing entries for height of instrument by height of instrument method. Okay. So if you do the practice of previous problems, that calculation of RL, then you can easily solve this problem.